Hannah a
That's
kiss?
good.
Or no?
Jada, give Hannah a kiss.
Say
Hannah.
Hannah, give Jada a kiss.
Hannah, can you give Jada a kiss?
She can blow a kiss.
Now it's back there. Uh-oh.
Hannah, look up, girls. Woo! Jada, go sit
Pardon
down.
me.
Jada, go sit down, sweetie.
Go sit
Oh,
down.
this is a much better angle.
Sit down.
Go sit down. Not on her lap. No, sit, Jada.
Looks like this is a step, though.
Sit down. I know. So she knows how to do it. Yeah.
Jada, can you give Hannah a hug?
Oh,
Can you give her a hug?
Ah!
oh.
Good job. What
Hannah,
about
can you give a hug? She's
what
thinking
about a
it.
kiss? Can you guys give kisses?
Oh, that was great.
Can you do that again? Give a hug. Oh, good job, sweetie.
Yay. Aww.
Everybody, where's your nose? There's Hannah's nose. Jada, where's your nose?
You did so good.